Is college worth it? Let's talk about it, man. That's a pretty good question because these old men, one in particular, you know who you are, likes to talk a lot of trash about me having college degrees and certifications. But what did that do for me? Was it worth it? I'd say it's worth it because look at me. It's Tuesday at 9 o'clock. I'm still in my t shirt. I just took my kid to school. My team understands my position and my role, and I get to grow the company. That's my job. Could I grow a company if I didn't have the business education? Sure, but I'd have to get the education somewhere. So I could have sought it out myself. Instead, it was force fed to me. And because I wanted to know the information and I too was running my business while I was being force fed the information, I soaked up way more than most people, as did Tyler. And you can tell that that's the way to do it. If you're just going to college and you don't know what you want to do and you're just studying random crap, don't go to college. It is not worth it. You don't go there to explore unless your mom and dad got money and they're paying for it, in which case it's a hell of a time. I advise you go and have a good time, enjoy life. I fortunately got to do both. My parents offered to cover the cost of college. They had to take out loans to pay for it, most of them in my name. So really, I guess I kind of paid myself, but they paid those off so that when time came, I needed to go invest in my company, I could. But by the same token, they did not expect me to start a company. I went to college, and as a freshman, I started working by choice, not because I had to, but because I wanted to, because I wanted to get ahead in life. So what did college do for me? Well, college took that work ethic and that drive, and it's multiplied the results times 10. That's why I turned 35 2 days ago, and I own a company that does over $1 million in sales. And my take home, my net take home, is over 20%. Now, net take home, I'm talking about what is my gross return as far as my assets that I'm accumulating, my equity that I'm building, my income personally, plus my reinvestment. I count all of that. Like, how much did I actually take in? Industry standards, which most people probably don't even know because they didn't go to business school, 5 to 7% profit margins in the lawn care and landscape industry is the average nationwide. So if you're doing better than that, you're doing pretty good. And a lot of guys don't even know where to compare themselves to know if they're doing good or not. So yes, I learned an amazing amount of applicable stuff in my education, and it 100% put me ahead of all my competition. So yeah, go to college. Just make sure that you're ready to go to college. It'll be worth it.